This is from I Am Not Big Bird. Hi mga Directs and Evil. I'm an avid listener of your podcast and I would like to say na sobrang nakahelp kayo sa battle ko with anxiety, especially when I need a break from overthinking. I'm really grateful and also really sorry kung i-hate nyo ako sa letter na to. O, diba? Ganda ng opening niya.
Disclaimer.
Diba? Mahusay. Expert to. Okay. Call me I Am Not Big Bird, male 27. I have a boyfriend 26. More than 2 years na kami. Talaga nagsulat si Eve.
Kaya nga nag-notes talaga siya.
Kumanda ka, pasensya. Lalo ngayong nasa producer era siya, marami siya notebook Pasensya kayo.
Kumanda ka, I'm not
Gagawa ako ng show para sa'yo. Gagawa ako ng drag show galing sa inspirasyon na ibibigay mo. Isasabuhay namin yung buhay mo.
Best relationship among the rest. We just click in every aspect.
The click.
Click or click?
Click.
Especially in ambitions in life and travel goals, especially in politics. Hashtag kakamping couple. Okay, sige.
Mabuting malinaw.
However, sex has been a recurring issue. I have a higher libido than him. And it's strained our relationship because when I want to do it, most of the times, he doesn't. Just to add context, my partner found out he had an STI, sexually transmitted illness. Infection. 7 months after we started dating, I tested negative, but he tested positive. He might have gotten it from his ex, but I'm struggling to accept na di siya nag-cheat. Kasi nung una, 2 times a week may nangyayari sa amin, pero nung nalaman niyang may STI siya, wala na talaga halos. And sorry, anong difference ng STI sa STD?
Infection kasi parang, naging doktor.
Yes, Doc.
Naging salamat, Doc.
Salamat, Doc.
Ayon sa mga eksperto, no, STD, the disease, parang yung infection, if I'm not mistaken, parang nag-escalate na siya into like, may symptoms na siya, fever, but don't believe me, I'm a drag queen. Pero STD kasi parang it's a broader term of, pwedeng you can have like gonorrhea or you can have presence ng, nung sakit na yun na nakakahawa. Pero it's dormant or hindi siya nagmamanifest.
Tanggalin na natin tong na to. Baka tayo.
Ay, nag-text yung DOH.
Lalagay na lang namin sa video kung ano yung totoong
yes.
Oo, kung ano yung totoong eme. Okay, anyway. And today, I saw him on Grindr. I have to admit, kaya ko siya nakita sa G-app because I was there too.
Oo nga.
So, pareho silang cheater nga. Okay.
It's a tie. I started cheating. Ano naman siya? Inadmit naman niya. I started cheating in 2022 when he could no longer provide for my sexual needs. I felt guilty sometimes, but sometimes I felt right and vindicated.
Kasi para sila nag-cheat, ganun?
Because he couldn't give me my sexual needs. So, parang feeling niya tama lang kasi hindi naman nabibigay sa kanya. So, nung nakita ko siya sa app, I had a hunch that it was him even though I only saw the body. I checked the Twitter account connected to the profile. Memorize yun, syempre, te. So, nung nakita ko siya sa app,
ko pa, baka nung nag-share sila ng pic, parang familiar tong
alam ko to. May ugal dito.
Yung niya may puyo. Kasi,
alam ko to.
alam ko tong hati na to Alam kayo nakagunon yung
very
buto
purple yung gilid na vein. Charing. Maugat. Charing. I checked the Twitter account connected to that profile and lo and behold, he has an alternate account na nakatakip lang mukha niya. I realized it was him because of his body shape and the t-shirt that he wore several times when we were dating. I have been overthinking for 2 days now kasi sa Sabado ko pa siya balak i-confront.
Ang tagal.
Ano naman kaya to?
Ilang araw kaya yan?
Gusto niya face-to-face. Ayaw niya ng phone call na confrontation.
Tsaka schedule
niya
talaga.
Drama-drama sa hapon. Gusto niya pang gap ender. Sabi ko, need ko muna i-consult through therapy to lahat. Pero kayo inuna ko as may...
Wala daw bayad
Wala? Parang kasalanan namin.
I have scrolled down sa Twitter niya and it seems sa 2022 pa rin siya nag-start ng alter account niya. I checked and madami siya nilalandi doon asking to meet up. So public yung pag...
Oo, naka-public.
I'm thinking now on many things that I will ask him. I'm thinking now on many. Oh, sige, okay na.
Okay.
Is that why?
Hindi nag-make
Ano ba yung
sense.
drama?
Ano yun, sabi?
I'm thinking now on many. I'm thinking now of many things I will ask him.
Okay.
Number 1, is that why he contracted STI because he had sex with someone else before his STI testing? Taray talaga naka 1 to 4 to.
Okay.
Number 2, is that why he doesn't want to have sex with me to protect me from STI? If so, why is he having sex with someone else instead? Number 3, bakit ayaw niyang ibuhos sa akin yung same energy na binubuhos niya on Twitter? I saw there that he had sex in April where he was a top. Is that why he doesn't want to have sex with me because I'm also a dominant top? Nag-a-adjust naman ako ng bottom pag kailangan and he knows it. Even though I prefer to top, I'm willing to adjust. Number 4, am I not satisfying him? Kasi yung penis size of his exes were bigger than me and he got used to that. Mga directs, do I have the right to be angry when I have repeatedly cheated on him behind his back as well? The only difference is that he didn't catch me and I caught him. How am I going to break up with him? Ay, break na agad.
So alam na niya yung solusyon sa problema niya. May kipag-break.
Break na siya
So
agad.
gusto lang niya malaman kung paano.
Oo, gusto niya gusto lang tayong gambalain. How am I going to break up with him when I wrapped my life around a future with him? Siya unang guy na pinakilala ko sa papa ko, therefore outing myself to my Christian conservative but loving dad. I don't want to break up, but I don't know if it's because I still love him, especially now that I found out that he cheated, or because it's just convenient. Direct JP, kakausapin ko na siya sa Sabado, so okay na
Bakit sa akin siya naka-address?
Kasi okay na daw yung communication is key. Wag na daw yun yung
okay.
advice mo. Kasi yun yung go-to advice mo eh. Si
Sulat
JP
ko dito.
kasi, Eva, lagi siyang communication is key. Kahit anong problema.
Tama naman talaga. Kaya nga siya, it's the key.
Anong oras sa
Direct
Sabado?
on I think,
Ina-note ko.
3:45.
Sa may Guadalupe.
Ang taray, dun sa bridge yung confrontation.
Ganda. Oh. Direct to net, hindi ko sure if breaking up would solve it. Bakit ako? Because I might end up with sexual yet manipulative guys again. Gay dating is like straight, in-explain niya sa akin as a straight. Sorry.
Tsaka gusto mo lagi break na agad, di ba? Yun yung laging payo mo.
So, yun naman ako. Gay dating is like straight dating but 10 times scarier in my opinion. Especially now na may internal homophobia sa gay dating apps. Help mga directs and Eva. Nagmamahal, I am not Big Bird. One word.
Kaya siya
Ang
yung not
dami
Big Bird
niyang,
kasi mas malaki yung mga Big Bird ng mga ex niya.
mga
Ay,
bird
nung
nung
ex
mga
ng jowa niya.
Yung jowa niya. Pero in fairness sa kanya, kahit ang haba ng letter niya, nalatag niya ng maayos.
Correct.
Ang problema.
Tsaka ang komplikado
Ano yung
in fairness.
Ang unang question ko dito, talagang confirmed na niya, no? Kahit wala pa namang confrontation. Kinonfirm na niya na siya yun. Yung jowa niya yung nasa...
Baka sa timeline, yung timeline of events, di ba? Kung kailan nagpa-test, kailan na-contract, kailan nag-start yung alter.
So, maniniwala ba tayo na siya na ngayon?
Pero sino bang naunang mag-cheat sa kanila? Kumbaga, in the words of Ethel Buba, wala tayong winner tonight.
I think tama.
Wala tayong winner tonight. Pero
Winner tonight.
kasi kung ang basihan mo lang is kung kailan siya nag-contract. Halimbawa, kasi nag-volunteer din naman ako sa mga love yourself, ganyan, red whistle, ganyan. What we always say, halimbawa, sa prep protects the prep user. Or kung ikaw, hindi ka naapektuhan kasi meron kang vaccine, pwedeng siya wala vaccine. Pero hindi rin natin pwedeng i-rule out na pwedeng sa'yo nga rin galing yun. It just so happened that you were more protected. Sa kanya lang nag-manifest. Sa kanya kumapit. Sa'yo hindi. Parang, I think that's beside the point. Diba? Having an STD. Although, oo nga naman, parang, paano kung magkakaroon ng STD? Ako wala. Pero the chances of him getting it from you is not it's not entirely out of the picture. Feeling ko lang.
Totoo. Kasi nag-cheat din naman siya nga talaga.
Oo
nga.
Paano kung... Deserve niyo isa't isa. Deserve niyo isa't isa. Cheater siya, cheater ka. O, hindi bagay kayo.
Oo. Tsaka yun yung kung dahil sa STI, Diba? And then, is it the reason ba't ayaw makipag-sex sa kanya? I think pareho niyong ayaw makipag-sex sa isa't isa. Kasi, ba't pa kayo kung sarap na sarap kayo sa isa't isa, ba't pa kayo maghahanap? Diba?
Totoo.
I mean, whether, ibig sabihin, kung incompatibility man siya kung sa position or sa either way, parang, the point of the matter is, hindi talaga kayo sexually satisfied sa isa't isa. Kasi kung halimbawa, hindi ka niya sinesex ng kasing kahit na mataas yung libido mo, at hindi ka niya sinesex, kung sarap na sarap ka sa kanya, willing to wait, di ba? Kung talagang na-enjoy mo siya. So parang hindi pa rin kayo sexually compatible. And ang scary nito, no? Parang ang daming layers ng tago-tago. Like, how can you live with that?
Oo. Tsaka kapag kung pareho kayong sexual na tao talaga, kailangan napapantayan, nasasatisfy talaga eh. Pero kasi kapag isa lang yung nagsasatisfy, tapos yung isa parang kebs lang. Parang kailangan nyo na pag-isipang mabuti kung dapat pa bang nasa relationship kayo.
Pero parang curious ako, ba't hindi nyo pa i-open?
Actually,
Bakit nga?
Alam niyo, ang dami-dami namang ganyan. I mean, well, these kids are young. They're 27, 26. Sinulat ko.
Thanks,
Yung
Doc.
notes ako. Libido. Pati yung questions na number 1, number 2. Di ba? Ba't hindi pa i-open, guys? Pero, and relationships, it's more than just sex. Pero ang mahirap kasi na nasira sa kanila, it's not the sexual pattern. It's the trust. Parang nakasanayan nyo na magtago sa isa't isa. Then yun pa lang, you're already failed. There are so many ways to break trust other than sex din naman. But once trust is broken, paano mo pa siya matitignan na parang mapaparanoid ka na? Tama yan, mag-break na kayo sa Sabado at 3:45 sa Guadalupe.
Sa harap ng billboard ni Bello.
Si yun nandun eh? Si Marian ba? Si Marian ata yung nandun. Si Marian ang saksi.
Sa bench yun, si Maria.
Sa bench, sa kabila sa edge. Feeling ko, gusto na niya talaga makipag-break. Nakahanap lang siya ng dahilan na hindi siya yung may kasalanan.
Siguro kapag nag-confrontation sila, huwag niyang isisi lahat dun sa partner. Kasi at fault din siya eh. Huwag siyang maghugas kamay.
The fact na nasa grinder ka rin, ibig sabihin naghahanap ka pa ng iba. I think siguro yung mga ganyang age talaga, mga nasa 20s, nasa late from like 20s to bago sila mag-30, medyo talagang mataas pa yung libido. Or libidon't. Libido or libidon't nila, And I think you guys also need to know na parang you guys need to be your own kind of partner. And if you want true love, if you want to be the person worthy of love, then you start becoming that person bago mo siya hanapin sa partner mo. Kung kating-kati ka pa at then just play around. And that person, you and yourself, hindi yan ang una't huling lalaking mamahalin mo. Kahit na pinakilala mo pa siya sa tatay mo, even if you romanticize all of that, girl, you fucked it up. And you're not ready for a relationship. Hindi man yan ginawa sa yun. Imagine kung hindi nag-cheat yung jowa mo, mag-cheat ka rin. So, even if it's not the same person, you would have still done the same deed. Then maybe you're also a problem. So, until you are ready, you are sure na kaya mo nang maging mabuting partner, huwag ka muna maghanap ng partner kasi makakasakit ka lang.
Ayan, sinampal na kayo ng katotohanan ni Eva.
Sorry naman daw. Pasensya naman daw, sabi niya.
Ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa rin kayo mag-break.
Sorry naman daw.
Saka kung magpag-break ka, magnilay-nilay ka, o maghanap-hanap ka muna dyan. I mean, we're all for sex positivity here, but not at the risk of, breaking your own. Siyempre, nakakabaliw yan,
Mental health, yes.
Mental health mo at mental health din ng partner mo. And you guys have been doing it. Stop this cycle of hurt and pain and distrust and anxiety and panic. I think more than the therapy, you really need a reflection of this. Kasi parang, you are also the choices that you made. You chose to go to Grindr instead of talking to him. You chose to seek you chose na feeling mo vindicated ka, that was a choice that you made. Hindi yun hiningi sa'yo nung jowa mo. You chose to choose anything other than do what's right at the moment that it happened. You made all those choices, my dear. So, talagang, you need to start pulling yourself together and
Love it.
Alam mo,
So
mali talaga na pinauwi ka ni RuPaul eh. Hanapin ko na yan si Ru eh.